Another colorful cooking day. Today I'm showing you how to make tortilla salsa cup, a showstopper and a party pleaser. I promise you everyone will keep asking for more. For your tortilla salsa cup, get your tortilla wrap. You can watch my video on how I made tortilla wraps. Ingredients for today is your tortilla wraps, tomatoes, avocado, sardine, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, onions, garlic, celery, white vinegar, boiled egg, salt, vegetable oil, mixed spices, and your cupcake pan. Let's put all this together. Bring out your cupcake pan, brush it with a bit of butter and dust with flour. Then place your tortilla wraps into the cupcake pan. You can resize if it's too big for your pan. Make sure you press the tortilla wrap down into the pan and fold the edges nicely to give you a beautiful flower-shaped cup when baked. Brush with butter and into the oven to bake for about 5 to 8 minutes. If you prefer a crispy texture, go ahead and fry your tortilla cup. Let's put together all the salsa veggies to fill the tortilla cups. Chop your onions, celery, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, tomatoes, and onions together. Chop your garlic and your boiled egg. Finally, your avocado. Chop some and slice some for your final plating. Pour your sardine into a bowl and set it aside. Now, the tortilla cups are out of the oven looking brown and beautiful. Let's fill them up. Mix up all your veggies together. Heat up your pan and drizzle a little bit of vegetable oil and add in the garlic. Let it sizzle and turn off the heat immediately. Add all the veggies. This is just to bring out the garlicky oil flavor. But if you like, you can add your garlic directly into your veggies without eating it up. Don't forget to drain out all the excess liquid from the tomatoes to avoid a soggy tortilla cup. Sprinkle a bit of salt and spices and white vinegar on the avocado, boiled eggs, and the veggies. Then start filling your tortilla cups with all the colorful goodness. Hold on, we're not done. Now add the sardine and it's time to bite. I'm not joking. This is really good and filling. You can't stop till every bite is finished. So what are you waiting for? Please recreate this easy recipe to enjoy at home or for your party. Keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites. Subscribe and have a colorful veggie bites day. Thank you.